Wait, hi.
Hello.
Oh, your noodle fell out.
Hmm?
Out of your mouth when you said hello. It all fell out. My goodness, you piggy. Chew them noodles. Drink that drink.
Don't play it. I don't. Brandon! My kitty's weird. Want to see my noodles?
Yes. Wow.
Very interesting. I look like I just got into a cat fight. My makeup is really messed up. See? It's on my hair. Get it.
Sorry.
I like noodles. Ooh. I got penny.
Good job. What'd you get for me? Thinker?
Let's play heads or tails. Heads or tails, Rachel?
Chicken. Oh, well. Tails. No, I don't like tails. I like heads.
Heads?
Yeah.
It was heads.
Good.
You want you think?
Okay.
Heads or tails?
You choose one.
I choose heads. Just watch those tails. Yep.
I'm excellent.
That's a band-aid on my toe.
You want to show us or no?
It's icky. Look, my boyfriend.
Oh, it sure was white.
What?
You couldn't say nothing. Hi.
It's time. It's a 303 representing the 303. Man.
You're burping every single video, you know.
I do?
Yes.
No, I sneezed in the bubble and I did not burp in it. Thank you
burped
very much.
at one point, didn't you?
Just look at those sneeze. So everyone out in the world can see what I look like when I sneeze. Thank you.
Oh, you're so adorable.
Oh, shut up. Yeah, my nose.
Okay. Don't cry. Your eyes are all watery because you sneezed.
Like. It's like my phone says nothing.
You want it to be stopped.
I don't care if you want to stop it because I'm boring, then stop it.
I didn't say that.
Sure. Sure you didn't. I'm so offended. Offended. Offended.
Well, you're not even eating noodles, so say bye.
Wait, what?
Never mind. Just say bye.
You're trying to eat your noodles. I'm trying to eat your noodles?
No. Never mind. Just.
Wait, tell me something to say backwards.
Bob.
Very funny.
Thanks.
Give me a sentence.
I'm stupid.
Stupid I'm.
Oh.
I'm so talented. Give me another sentence.
Baby. Oh, a big old dum-dum head. That's what I meant to say.
Head dum-dum. I'm. Oh wait, I missed big. Head dum-dum.
And I said old too. Big old dum-dum head.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Head dum-dum old big I'm. No. dum-dum. Old, big, I'm. I did it.
Good job.
Yep, thanks.
Anyway, I'm going to stop it, so say bye. Ah.
I.
Ah. Hi.
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 How are you?
I hate you.
Thanks.
Anyway, I want to eat my noodles, so
No, you don't.
say bye.
I'll feed them to you.
Say
I
bye.
like the attention. No, I'm just kidding, I don't.
Say bye.
Hey, wait. Can we show our special guest? No, never mind.
Say bye.
Adios.